Hello everyone. Today I stand before you to speak on a topic that play a crucial role in the functioning of our country, government budgeting. So let's start with the introduction. The government budget is a financial statement that outline the statement estimate revenue, income, and the expenditure spending of the government for a specific financial year. It is presented annually, usually on the first February, by the financial minister in the parliament. However, the budget is not just a collection of numbers. It reflects the government's uh, priorities, policies, and planning for the country's economic and social development. Then we firstly we are started purpose of the government budget. There are number of purposes. The main objectives of a government budget are the first one is to allocate resources efficiently for public welfare. Second one is to promote economic growth and stability. Third one is to reduce income inequality through redistribution. Fourth one is to provide public service and services like health, education, transportation, etc. And fifth one is to fund various to fund various social welfare schemes for the benefit of the poor and uh, underprivileged. The budget acts as a financial roadmap that helps the government decided where to spend, how much to spend, and how to raise revenue. Uh, the main component of the budget is broadly divided into the two parts. First one is revenue budget. This part deal with the regular income and expenditure of the government, and revenue receipts included tax like GST, income tax, and non-tax revenues like interest, fees, and fines. Revenue expenditure included salaries, subsidies, interest payment, and day-to-day expenses. Second one is capital budget. This part focus on long-term investment and borrowings. In capital receipts included loans, borrowings, and money from disinvestment. And in the capital expenditure included construction of infrastructure like roads, railways, school, and hospitals. And types of budgets based on the financial situation. Budget can be divided into three types. First one is balance budget, when revenue equal to expenditure. Second one is surplus budget, when revenue is more than expenditure. And third one is deficit budget, when expenditure exceeds revenue. And this method this type of budget mostly common in the most developing countries, including in India. It's also used. um, India usually follows a deficit budget, meaning the government is spend more than its earn and cover the gap by borrowing. Uh, how is the budget made? The budget is not created overnight. It goes through a detailed and structured process. First one is all minister and departments submit their financial requirement to the finance ministry. Then the finance ministry review and compiles the information. Then a draft budget is prepared and approved by the cabinet. And finally, the finance minister present the budget in the parliament, and it is then discussed and passed by the by both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Let us example of union budget 2025. Let's assume in the union budget 2025, the government has focused on the green energy, digital transformation, and skill development, allocated 10 lakh crore for infrastructure development, increased health sector spendings to 2 lakh crore, and provide tax relief for the middle class and support for the startups. This example show how the government use the budget to address national priorities. Then we are talk about challenges in the budgeting. So despite being a essential tool, budgeting faces several challenges. Uh, First is a physical deficit. The gap between income and spendings, debt burden, rising borrowings, increased interest payments, subsidy management, ensuring subsidies are not misused, economic uncertainty, global or national events can be impact budget outcomes. Implementation, many times funds remain unused or are not used effectively. And the impact on common people, the budget affects every citizen in multiple ways. Changes in the policies affects take home salaries, um, fuel prices, LPG subsidies, and ration supplies are linked to the budget. Scholarship, employment schemes, pensions, and health insurance are all part of budget planning. So the budget is not just about the government, it's about you and you and me, and common people of India. Uh, so at the end we concluded that the government budget is a powerful instrument of economic planning and public welfare. It is represent the vision of the nation and sets the direction for development. A well crafted budget can uplift lives, boost the economy, and bring prosperity to millionaires. Uh, at the end, let us remember that a budget is more than numbers. It is a expression of our values and expressions. Thank you all.